We will now go over the disassembly procedure. The first step in the disassembly process is to put the foam blocks in place over the aftmost handles. Next, remove the push-button quick-release pin and retaining collar at the forward-arched payload tray interface. Remove both quick-release pins at the rear arch assembly to payload tray interface. Rotate the dowel clamps 90 degrees. Squeeze the fore and aft rear arch tubes together against the dowel clamp. Remove the front arch ball joint from the payload tray ball joint shaft holder and leave the forward arch in the forward leaning position. Lift the back of the payload tray from the rear arch assembly. Lean the rear arch assembly against the foam blocks. The payload tray is now free from the rest of the structure. Remove the front arch by removing the quick release pins. Remove the foot pins from the foot assembly. Remove the rear arch by lifting vertically. As a general rule of thumb, we recommend placing foot pins back in the foot assembly after removing the rear arch assembly so that they are not misplaced. At this point, the WAM V USVx is broken down into 5 subassemblies: the payload tray, front arch and rear arch assemblies, port hull assembly, and starboard hull assembly. This concludes the disassembly procedure.